What's up, guys? I just finished doing a quick wash on my car because today I'm going to be installing a carbon fiber spoiler on my car. So I got this from Jaliscos Carbon Fiber on Instagram. Go check out his channel. I'll leave it in the description below. He makes some awesome carbon fiber pieces for G37s, 370Zs, and a bunch of other manufacturers. He got a lot of cool stuff for very reasonable prices, like carbon fiber steering wheels, spoilers like this, diffusers, and whatnot. So definitely go check him out. So this spoiler is called the G37 Coupe Regular Carbon M Style Wing. I think it's called the M Style Wing because of this M shape right here. Also, this resembles a lot of the M Style wings on BMWs. So it's very aggressive if you see from this side. This spoiler is pretty unique. I haven't seen it be selling from any other manufacturer. So definitely excited to put this on my car. And let me bring the car into the garage because it is extremely cold outside. So, oh, and I forgot to mention, for those of you that watched my last video, I went ahead and fixed this carbon fiber mirror cap right here. This one, as you remember, was the little white part on the bottom was showing. So now it's I was able to somehow pry this off and then put it back on. Now it looks much better. And then on this side, this one wasn't on properly, and now I went ahead and ordered the OEM piece and put this back on, and now it looks much better. Alright, now let's go put the carbon fiber spoiler on. Alright, so before I put that carbon fiber spoiler on here, I'm planning on wrapping this chrome piece black. So I went ahead and bought this this vinyl wrap right here, and it's called, here, let me open it. So I got this wrap. It's piano gloss black from Avery Jensen, I believe. From what I searched up online, it's really good for beginners, and it's really pliable. It's a pretty thin material, but you can stretch it pretty easily, and it's like pressure sensitive, so it'll only stick when you push onto it instead of like 3M where it's like super sticky. And I'm not a rapper. I've maybe wrapped things like twice before, so definitely a beginner, so I'm gonna give it a shot with my boy's help right here, Sadukin. And let's see how it goes. Yeah, so we went ahead and cut a piece off so we can start laying it on top of this. There's enough so that there's some on top and on the bottom, so if we need to go ahead and start cutting some, it's fine. So we're gonna go ahead and start laying this on top and then go from there.
Let me just start from here and then pull the top.
Yeah.
Keep the stretch. Yeah, just pull. Pull it all off. Right. You want to just keep lifting it up? It should help stretch these ones.
Yeah, it's not sticky until you start pressing on it. So that's the good part about it. Let gonna get the squeegee. I might
Couple more. Yeah. Cause this has to like come off first. Motor. And then like stretch it down.
give this some heat.
Damn, that's gonna look fresh.
Alright, so as you guys see, we're pretty much just stretching it, giving it some heat, and that's trying to squeegee out all the wrinkles and just trying to get it along the edge of the chrome piece so that at the end when we go ahead and start cutting it, it'll be easier to tuck back in. So yeah, so we're just gonna keep going at it. Well, the squad just pulled up.
Are you want to take your headlights and your taillights?
Yeah.
You ordered it?
Alright, so you start cutting it already?
Yeah, just try not to put too much pressure.
He's really good at wrapping. He has a 300ZX that he wrapped. He had a 300ZX.
And I guess you're also not wrapping the cold because the glue doesn't.
Yeah, well, this is the best we could do.
You got the heater? Move over. Down for it. Wait, spring break? Oh no, my spring break's next week. Like this, the holiday week. Cold.
Alright, so now we're just laying down the 3M tape along the edge of the spoiler. You guys, so this whole time I've been using a blow dryer.
And you had a wanker.
We had a freaking
Wanker.
wanker over there. Alright, well this will speed up the process now. Alright guys, so it's all done. It looks really good. I like it a lot. Go check out Jaliscos Carbon Fiber Instagram in my description below. And please leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed. And see you guys in the next video.